guys, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new lab called App Lab. In this lab, there may be some different changes that we're not used to yet, but we'll get used to them soon. Over here we have a section of data, but we won't be needing this section today because today our project is going to be a simple one. And then we have design. Over here we can design our project and make it more elaborative. We have some options of designs over here, or else if you don't find a good option, you can even choose your own color. You'd find it right here in the events of in the properties of our code, and the events that better be uncovered later. And then we have our main part, the code, where we give our program the instructions they need. So guys, today our project is gonna be called bells. In this project there are gonna be some bells, and when we click them, so they're gonna be ringed. Okay guys, so first we're gonna need to design our screen. You can even choose a theme. I'll be using well, I like berry patch and cherry vanilla. I'll use this one. Now perhaps a lighter shade could help, because the bells aren't gonna be that light. They're gonna be dark, so a dark shade could make them invisible. Now we're gonna need to add images to our screen. Yes, this part is the stage. We choose our image. We go to icons because the icon we'll be needing isn't that hard. The first one is gonna be a bell. I'm gonna choose this bell. I think it looks great, but we will be needing some more images. Well, this time I'll try something like a telephone. Okay, what about, perhaps there's something over here? A mobile, yes, that would also work out. Okay, I'll choose one more. You can even choose some more if you want. That's up to you. Okay, there. Now, as our design for the screen is ready, so what if we do the coding part now? We go to the section of code. We take this block. Well, by the way, guys, it's best to name our codes, our images, or anything, because that makes our code easier. We go to ID, and as our image is a music bar, so what if we put the name as music? And then the phone one, that is called image2, we'll call it phone. It's a shorter name than mobile phone. Then we have a normal ordinary bell. So what if we call it bell? That would make our code easier. So now as we go back to our code section, we can do the first code for the music icon as it's in the top. We'll be needing a sound one block. We take this block. We choose a sound for the music part. Let's go to the music section. Yes. I'll choose this one sound because I think it's nice. So when we run our code and we'll press the make that sound, and then we take another of those blocks, the same one that we used, but this time we'll use the bell instead. Okay guys, so let's choose the bell sound from the bell section. I'll choose this bell sound. And now we need our last block of code, our last two blocks of code for our last part of the code. We're going to be coding for the phone. Okay guys, what if we search for a sound? Let's try this one. Yes, it did fit right in. Now let's try to run our code once. Wow, our code runs great. I hope you enjoyed this part of code. Soon we'll learn many more, and you guys will become just as good. Bye.